Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna open this Tiffany break mini fun. So what's there in this pack is 4 different types of chocolates. What else is the brand name is Tiffany, very nice. 100 calories per bar is mentioned over here, as you can see. And what all 4 chocolates are there? Their name is given. First one is Tiffany Break, the basic. It is crunchy wafer finger in a creamy milk chocolate. Okay, fine. What is the next? It's Tiffany Happy Break. The first one was Break, second one is Happy Break. The third one is Break Super. It's crunchy wafer finger and soft caramel and creamy milky. And the fourth one is Break Rizzo. It's crunchy wafer with caramel, cinnamon and creamy milk chocolate. So how many are there in this pack? 22 mini chocolate. Nice. And not only that, if in top you could see there is some offer going on. It is saying that they are giving win hundreds of cool gadgets like watch, phone, video game and many more. So you need to scratch and win hundreds of cool gadgets instantly. So let's not waste much time and open this pack. How to open it very fast. So the winning coupon I have kept aside. Later on we'll see that. First let's open this. From here they have mentioned that you need to cut from here, and more. Done. Now it's very nice that it's an airtight. You can see over here. You just need to pull it like this, and at any point of time you could seal it back. By that the chocolates won't get nice. So many chocolates, so many chocolates. I'm gonna die for these. The first brand, where's the first one? This, the Authentic Break. Which is the second? The Happy Break. Which is the third? Yeah, the Super. And the fourth one is Rizzo. So let's place them in a beautiful line so that we could know how many of it they have given us. This is the Break. This is the Happy. The size, if you see, the size of every bar is quite different. That is really interesting. Means they have not given it in a same pattern like other chocolate companies give. And so where are we? That's it. So as you can see, the 5 of Rizzo, Break Rizzo, the 5 of Break Super, the 6 of Happy Break, and the 6 of normal original Break. So these are it. First I'm gonna start with the first one which they have mentioned in the pack, the Break one. So let's gap it, and this is the first one, the Break. Let's open it. Let's tear the packaging and see how it is. Oh, quite similar to Kit Kat, isn't it? So this is it. Nice 2 bars are there. Very nice. crunchy. I would say quite equivalent to Kit Kat, but very nice in taste, very soft from inside. I love it. Amazing, loving it. The second one is the Happy Break. So let's open it. The pattern, you can see, oh, it just break. As the name is there, Happy Break. That means happy to break it. So this is how it used to look, and it is very soft, and it has that crunch waffle in it. That's why it breaks so easily. I like it. Seriously, this one is also very soft. Little bit difference of this waffle, I would say. The layer of the waffle and the first one, little bit difference of that crunchiness, I would say. Rest, the chocolate is quite similar. Let's taste this caramel one. I told you, na, crunchy waffle finger and soft caramel and creamy milk chocolate. So let's taste the break super. But I'm not using the scissor when it's there. So this is it. It is quite different. If you'll see the patterns of all the chocolates which we have opened in now, they are totally different in their design, the pattern, and that's very nice that they have not made it in a similar way and just mixed something different. Oh, the caramel, as you can see, the amazing caramel. Nice, I like it. There is some more sweetness of caramel in it. Loving. I would say till now the favorite mine is super. And now break Rizzo. What is there? Crunchy waffle with caramel cereal in creamy milk chocolate. So let's open this one and see how it, oh, totally different design. This one I have eaten in, I think, dairy milk or in some other chocolate also. It's very strong to break. See, they have some kind of small white softer cereals which are layered above, I think, this kind of chocolate waffle, crunchy waffle. So this is very nice. As you can see, 4 of them have different pattern, different design, different taste, I would say. My favorite was the super, break super. Go and taste these and tell me which one is your favorite. And before that, I want to tell you that this is the brand of UAE, so it will be available in most of the market. Manufactured in, this is a manufactured in UAE. It's mentioned over here, United Arab Emirates origin. So go and taste it if you stay there, or you can find these chocolates and let me know whether you love it or not. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.